Hello and welcome to Skilled Hands, a Nottingham-based community interest company dedicated to empowering women through artisan craft workshops. In this video, I'll take you through what we do here, what we stand for, and the wonderful opportunities available through our programs. At Skilled Hands, our mission is to empower women by teaching them valuable skills in dressmaking, bag making, soap making, jewelry making, and millinery. Our workshops are designed to be inclusive, offering free access to unemployed women, those with caring responsibilities, and those on low income living in Nottingham. For those who do not meet this criteria, we offer the opportunity to join us for a nominal fee. In the dressmaking class, you will learn how to create garments from scratch, even if you've never threaded a sewing machine before. You'll be taught how to take measurements, finish seams beautifully, fix buttons and zips, and transfer your body measurements onto a bodice block to create a custom fit garment. In our bag making class, we cover everything from flat bags to handbags, crossover bags, and more. You will learn to fix zips, add pockets, and use stencils to personalize your creations. This class provides all the skills needed to make a variety of bag styles. In our jewelry making class, you will explore techniques like resin casting, polymer clay crafting, and beading. You will also learn to work with silver clay to create beautiful accessories. The class is filled with fun, creative projects to help you make unique pieces of jewelry. In the soap making class, also known as our body care product making class, it teaches both melt and pour and cold process soap techniques. You will learn about safety with lye, the properties of different oils and essential oils. Additionally, you will make bath salts, bath bombs, lip balm, and liquid soap. In the millinery class, you will learn to create fascinators and hatinators. This includes all the techniques you need to start a small business with your new skills. From design to completion, you'll be able to craft stunning headpieces. Additional services. At Skilled Hands, we offer more than just classes. We also organize craft workshops for team bonding activities, parties, and special events. If you are an organization looking to engage your team in a unique and fun activity, we can tailor a session for you. Additionally, we accept made-to-order requests for special occasions, ensuring that you get a personalized, handcrafted item for your needs. Icing on the cake, NOCN certification. Now, I'm excited to share that Skilled Hands is an NOCN approved center. This means that when you complete our courses, you receive a certified certificate endorsed by NOCN. This certification adds significant value to your training, making it recognized and respected. For testimonials and impact, our workshops have had a profound impact on the lives of many women. Participants have shared how our programs boost their confidence, help them learn new skills, make new friends, and even start small businesses. The testimonials are endless and heartwarming, highlighting the transformative power of our community and training. Exciting news! Our upcoming events. We have an exciting small business workshop starting soon with only 20 seats available. If you're interested, get in touch now to secure your place. We are also planning a red carpet event in September, which will feature a fashion show, exhibition, and awards ceremony. Participants in our dressmaking class will showcase their garments on the runway, and all the products made throughout the year will be displayed. Just to add, we will be running the Small Business Workshop with NBV, Nottingham Business Ventures. So rest assured you will get all the information you need to start your small business on the right leg. If you would like to know more about skilled hands or join one of our workshops, please give us a call at 074 3244 0997. You can also visit our website at www.skilledhandsorganization.org or send an email to skills.hands.org@gmail.com. Thank you for watching and learning about Skilled Hands Organization CIC. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. We look forward to seeing you in our workshops and at our upcoming events. Have a brilliant day. Bye.